Now I will tell you the answer of question 7. Question 7 is you are given polynomial and you have to find its zeros and verify the relation between zeros and coefficient. Now for finding the zero, you have to write in standard form. For this, standard form is polynomial are written such that its terms are arranged according to descending order of power of variable. तो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल में टर्म्स को अरेंज करना है. फॉर दिस हाईएस्ट पावर टर्म इज एक्स स्क्वायर, तो 5x square is written first. Then here x की पावर 1, so you will write minus 8x in second number, then last term is minus 4. Now you have to factorize this by using the splitting of middle term method. For this you have to split middle term by following some rule. What is rule? You have to write the coefficient of x in the and a into c. A is a coefficient of x square, c is constant term. So 5 into minus 4, it is minus 20. Now break minus 8 in plus and minus 20 into multiply with the same number. So the number I think minus 10 plus 2 minus 10 into 2. Same number multiply में same number addition में. Now in polynomial, in place of minus 8 you will write split of minus 8 minus 10 plus 2, as x is attached with minus 8, so you have to attach x with minus 10 and 2 and minus 4. First you write polynomial equals to 0. Now regrouping two terms. Now take the common term outside. Now the common is 5x here in bracket x minus 2 plus 2 here in bracket x minus 2. So the polynomial within the bracket is same. तभी आपके फैक्टर हो पाएंगे, नहीं तो आपको सेम करने पड़ेंगे. तो फर्स्ट फैक्टर x minus 2 you will take outside, then the terms remaining within the bracket 5x plus 2. Then how will find the 0? Put one factor is equal to 0, then find the value of x minus 2 equals to 0, x is equal to 2. First value of x is known as alpha. Similarly for the second factor, put second factor is equal to 0. Find x minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 upon 5. So second value of x is known as minus 2 upon 5. So these two value of x are known as alpha beta. So and the zeros of the polynomial. So first zero alpha is 2. Second zero beta is minus 2 upon 5. Now in second part you have to verify the relation between zeros and coefficient of polynomial. For this you have to write the coefficient of polynomial. Here the coefficient of polynomial, x square coefficient a, it is 5. B is x coefficient, it is minus 8. C is constant term, it is minus 4. Now the first relation is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. Now for verification you have to find the result of both sides. So first I am taking left hand side, it is alpha plus beta. Alpha means 2, beta means plus, minus 2 upon 5. In calculation you will carry minus sign. Now find the value. 1 5 LCM is 5. 2 multiplied by 5 minus 2, it is 10 minus 2, it is 8 upon 5. Now find the right hand side, minus b upon a. Minus b is minus 8, a is 5, it is a upon 5. Now compare the both side result, it is same, hence first relation verified. Now I am verifying the second relation. Second relation is alpha beta equals to c upon a. So first I am solving left hand side. It is alpha beta. alpha is 2, beta is minus 2 upon 5. It is minus 4 upon 5. Similarly, right hand side C upon A. C is minus 4, A is 5. So minus 4 upon 5. Now compare the answer of both sides. These answers are same, so we will say that second relation verified, hence both the relation verified. So this is the answer of question 7. Now I will tell you the answer of question 8. Question 8 is find all the zeros of the polynomial. Find all the zeros of the polynomial, and the polynomial is px. In question I am writing fx, so you will write fx. X raised to power 4 minus 13x cube plus 59x square minus 109x plus 70. So it is a polynomial of degree 4, that means it has 4 0, but out of 4 you are given 2 0. I am say 1 0 alpha 3 plus root 2 and second 0 3 minus root 2. For finding the zeros polynomial of given 0, so first you have to find the sum of 0 alpha plus beta. It is 3 plus root 2 plus 3 minus root 2. It is 6. Then find the product of 0 alpha beta. 3 plus root 2, 3 minus root 2. Now the formula is a plus b, a minus b. It is a square minus b square. It is 9 minus, ये आपका स्क्वायर से रूट कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 9 minus 2, it is 7. Now after finding sum of 0 and product of 0, the polynomial formula is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. X square alpha plus beta is 6 and alpha into beta is 7. So this is the required polynomial of these zeros. Now divide fx by this polynomial so that the 0, 3 plus root 2, 3 minus root 2 cancelled out from this polynomial. So for this you have to apply the long division. X raised to power 4 minus 13x cube plus 59x square minus 109x plus 70 you have to divide x square minus 6x plus 7. For this, see the first term of dividend and divisor. Now divisor की फर्स्ट टर्म को किससे इंटू करें कि x की पावर 4 आ जाए. So you will multiply x square with x square. So x square is the first term of quotient. अब इस डिविडेंड के नीचे क्या आएगा कि x स्क्वायर को पूरे डिवाइजर से इंटू करेंगे. तो पहले x स्क्वायर को x स्क्वायर से इंटू करेंगे, x रेज़ टू पावर 4. फिर x स्क्वायर को माइनस 6x से इंटू करेंगे, माइनस 6x क्यूब. फिर x स्क्वायर को 7 से इंटू करेंगे, प्लस 7x स्क्वायर. इसमें लाइक टर्म के नीचे लाइक टर्म लिखते हैं. नाउ व्हेन माइनस करेंगे तो नीचे वाली पॉलिनोमियल के साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. कैंसिल x4 विद x4 माइनस 13x क्यूब प्लस 6x